You've been working a lot on your upper energies, so start bringing those energies down. Okay. So in your meditations, you probably bring in the light from above all the time. Start working from below, so you balance them out, because we need to have both. A lot of times people just do and bringing energy from above, but they don't bring in from below. Like we just did the Kundalini. I was like, let's raise the Kundalini, right? So we started from the bottom. You need to do both. The new age of spirituality, everybody just wants to bring in the light from above. It comes in up to this chest, and that's it. So we become in the space of love, but we cannot operate in this physical reality, and we get kind of disconnected. So we have this torn part of ourselves where we feel so great in our own space, but we cannot be in the physical reality. So we need to have both of those operating in order to participate as a and perfect atom in this world. Because in order to function in this world, we need to ground that energy. So to ground that energy is to transform the lower three centers. So the desires of the lower three centers, the perceptions of the lower three centers, because that is what allows us to participate in this reality. So in order to create a career or a job or a business, we need to have all those centers working together. So it's like you have a pyramid, apex facing up and a apex facing down. The one that's facing down needs to be strengthened, so you can bring in that heavenly light and anchor it into the light, into the earth. To anchor the light into the earth, it has to come through you. So once you anchor it, now you become solid. Now you can be the walking light on earth. Otherwise, you become just on one level, and it's hard for you to create on this physical reality, because everything starts to become heavy or dense, and judgment and different perception that it's not divine, it's not whole, it's not part of the light. So in order for everything to become the light, we need to bring the light all the way through us. So pay attention. A lot of us do this because we say, oh, but this is not so divine, or this is not so pure. Is because we're bringing in the light here, but it's not anchoring into the earth. So we came here to bring the light into the earth. So it has to flow all the way through us. So that means the lower three centers need to be transformed and surrendered to the higher realms. So if we did this meditation, you felt a lot of work in the solar plexus, because the solar plexus, what closes the gap between the two worlds, the upper and the lower. So the solar plexus and the heart will become into one chakra system, which is in the astral body. And when they become one, that means you have healed your inner child. And this is the process that we're going through, meaning the Christed inner child. So the Christed inner child is the light that we're bringing in from above all the way down through our emotional state, our inner child. And this is what's been going on for the past 3 to 6 months, especially the last 3 months, is we are healing our inner child so we can become fully active in this world, in this reality, so we can be heaven walking through the earth.